Well, I mean, I tell my people, the war get hot, the war get hot, the war get hot right now. Right now, Teejay, fire warning, this track for Byron Messiah. And right now, Byron Messiah answer Teejay in a new track called Conclusion. You understand me, people? Wanna tell me which one of the diss track them are the better diss track. You understand? All right now, this look like it's a new war I brew up right now. You understand? And you don't know lyrical confrontation is good. You understand the artists might exercise them talent. So make we see what this one I go reach. You understand? Yeah, cause two artists them seem like them lyrical, you understand? So make we see what I go another one, yeah. Yes, Byron Messiah, answer TJ. You understand? So them a shoot up the car with the boy, them a drift. You understand? Them a say, oh, him for war with them son and all of them thing. The lyrics in overdrive same way. So make we see what go happen in the war. You understand? Wanna make me know which one of the distract them sound better. You understand? Yeah, man, I don't know say artist this is a brand new news again. You understand? Yes, man. Right, that's it there. Saying, and we are say same time you don't know we not forward unless we big up Bounty Killer the general. Same way we have to mention that. You understand? Bounty Killer or the EG of life. You understand? Right, that's it there. Saying, yeah man.